Monday morning, and it was a great time. A couple of things just to be prepared, to help you prepare for the meeting before you go. Each group is going to be given some kind of reading worksheet that we are going to be working through together when we get together. Each of the small group sessions will have a little bit of word work time where maybe we do some superpowers and build words. But the majority of the time is going to be used going through reading here. I can't really sit together with everybody and point to words and flip through books and do story predictions and interactively like that. So I thought that this might be the most direct way to be able to do that. So this, each week in the small group instruction box on the Reading Club slide is going to be a little document. You don't have to go anywhere to find it. It'll be right on the slide. You just click on that link and open it up and print it out. Should be pretty easy. But I want to make sure everybody was prepared with that. Also, if any of you have whiteboards at home with dry erase markers, which I know I always had boards for my kids at home, maybe you have some at home, that would be useful. If they don't have a whiteboard, it's okay too. We can just turn the paper over and they can just use, pencil and eraser to write things on here as we go through and try to build some words. But if you do happen to have one, that would be good. I don't know if you've set up a little station where your learning is going on or where the meetings are going to take place and where they sit for a nice quiet space. But you might want to put a little whiteboard and a marker there if that happens to be something that you have. Another quick thing, I realized that I failed to really go over an important part of the slide yesterday. So I'm going to move myself here to the side and pull up that weekly schedule again. I want you to know that all the names are here, and then the Google Meet times are all over here. I failed to tell you yesterday that these little purple boxes are links to go straight to the meeting. So for tomorrow, when the alligators are supposed to meet with me at 10 o'clock, all they have to do is click on this link, and then it will say meet.google.com, and it will take them right to the meeting that they're supposed to join. And I'll be waiting for you, okay? And then the one for the dolphins is different. So they would go to this one and click on that one and go to that meeting, okay? So hopefully that works for everybody. Monday has a different link, Thursday has a different link, Friday has a different link. So they're all right here for you. Also, I wanted to show you that first Reading Club slide. So like I told you yesterday that the Reading Club papers are here. These are your story summary sheets. But down here in the bottom are your small group instruction boxes. And so for like tomorrow, we have the alligators meeting and they're going to need this worksheet. And then we have the small cats meeting after that, and they're going to need this worksheet. You'll also notice that I put the link here for the Google Meet as well. So this link is the same as the one that's on the front slide. But if you don't want to scroll through all the slides and you just want to go to the first slide because it's a little bit easier, that is there for you. And again, these documents are just, you click on it and you pop it open and you print it out. And I would like these to be printed out and not done on the computer because I am going to ask them to do some writing and coloring on there. You'll notice that some of these documents have color crayon color. So if they have some crayons around, if you don't have crayons, we'll do the best we can. So I think that that's it. Let me see if there's anything. Oh, one last thing. On this very first slide, my office hour button was not working, but I have fixed it, so hopefully it is working now. So this will take you to the 1 o'clock to 2:30 o'clock office hours, Monday through Friday, every day of the week. So I think that's it. Let's go back to, I'm going to read the kids a story now, so I'm going to pop this back up. And I have another Mo Willems book, and I'm so excited. It's so cute. This one is called Let's Go for a Drive, and this is part of the Elephant and Piggy series by Mo Willems, and so we love these guys. So hopefully, it's a little weird reading a story with no audience, so hopefully they're giggling on the other end because I think it's really funny. All right, so this is Let's Go for a Drive by Mo Willems, and he's the author and the illustrator. All right, let's see. Let me get through this. Here's that title page, Let's Go for a Drive. An Elephant and Piggy book. Piggy, I have a great idea. Let's go for a drive. sounds fun. Drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive. Wait, if we are going on a drive, we need a plan. A plan? First, we need a map. I have a map. Get that map. You cannot go for a drive without a map. I have a map. Zap. Drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive. Map, map, mappy, map, map. Wait! It might be sunny while we drive. We need sunglasses. I have sunglasses. Get those sunglasses. Zip. Bringing sunglasses on a drive is smart planning. I have sunglasses. Zap. Drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive. Sunglasses, sunglasses, sunny sun, sunglasses. Wait! It might rain while we drive. We need umbrellas. I have umbrellas. Go get those umbrellas. Zip. Make a plan and stick to it is what I say. I have the umbrellas. Zip. Drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive. Umbrellas, umbrellas, umbrellas. Wait! We have so much stuff to pack. We need bags. I have bags. Go get those bags. Zip. You cannot go wrong with a good plan. I have the bags. Zip. Drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive. Bags, bags, baggy bag, bags. Wait! There will be a lot of driving on our drive. We need a car. I said we need a car. Do you have a car, Piggy? No. I am a pig. A pig with a car would be silly. Do you have a car? I do not have a car. Oh no! We have everything we need for our drive. Except a car. Our plans are ruined. Oh, what are we going to do now? We could play pirate. Who needs plans when you have a pig for a pal? Arg! The end. Boy, what an optimistic way to look at a problem, huh? Always come up with a solution. They're such good friends. I think that's a cute story. Anyway, that's it for today. I'll be posting Mr. Trotter's morning announcements as well, so keep your eye out for that. And everybody have a great Tuesday. Bye.